Assalamu alaikum you beautiful people, welcome. This is free hack and tricks and tips, and guys, welcome to the best family on YouTube. So guys, in this video tutorial I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create a fake PayPal account and how you guys can link and fake debit card to your PayPal account. So before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive my latest video notification. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your browser and download any VPN on your browser and connect to the United States. So I'm gonna use, in my case I'm using this Mindscribe VPN, which gives you a 10 GB data on a trial account. Okay, so I'm now connected to the United States, and now you need to go and open PayPal account. Go to the PayPal website and create a fake account there. So for creating a fake account, you obviously need a fake email address and some fake street address like that data. So you guys can visit fake name generator or Tempmail for getting address and email it. So just click on this personal account and click on next and copy this temporary email address from there and type it here. For the name, I'm gonna use this fake name generator. You guys can get these accounts for free by joining my Discord channel. Only limited accounts are available, like I have created only 3 accounts. Okay, so just complete the security challenge if it pop-ups, and it was just giving me some error like this. Okay, so for the password, I'm gonna copy the password from this website as well. Copy it, paste it here, and click on login. Okay, so now we need to give our street address here, which can be copied from this website as well. And now for city, I'm gonna give this as city. The state was LA, type L. And for the phone number, you guys can get a fake phone number from free Text Me Up application, which can be downloaded from Play Store, or you guys can also download Google IP. But in my case, I'm gonna giving here a fake phone number here. Okay, so this is random phone number. Just click on agree and create account. And now here you need to add a card. So for getting a card, we're gonna use my website. Go to fhdat.ga/namsocredit and just click on this PayPal bin and just tick this date and CVV2. Click on generate. It will generate you some random cards. Okay, so I'm gonna copy one card from here and note down the security code of this card, which is 385, and its expiry date is 7/25/0725, and click on link card. In this way, you guys can link fake debit card to your PayPal account. You don't need to validate these cards because these cards are already verified. Okay, so I'm gonna link another card in front of you to make sure that this trick is really working. You guys can note down the today's date here, click on link debit or credit card, and I'm gonna generate randomly here and copy one of the card from this website, which has a CVV of 195. This is better than NAMSO best CCGen. Okay, and 0224 1224, that doesn't matter. Okay, and 195 is the security code. Click on link and you guys can see the another card has been linked. You guys can see I have linked 2 of those cards on my PayPal account without any inconvenience. Without any difficulties. Okay, so you guys can now verify your PayPal account by confirming your email address. You guys can confirm your phone number, and you will not have any limitation on your PayPal account after adding a fake debit card. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video with new tricks and tips. Till next time, assalamu alaikum and have a nice day. Goodbye.